Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
CBAP Business Analysis Professional. Lecture 12, Information Technology Perspective. In the context of the Certified Business Analysis Professional, CBAP, certification, the business architecture perspective refers to a specific area of knowledge within the broader field of business analysis. Business architecture focuses on the structure and organization of a business, including its processes, capabilities, stakeholders, and information. The business architecture perspective in CBAP encompasses several key aspects. 1. Business architecture fundamentals. This includes understanding the foundational concepts of business architecture, such as its purpose, scope, and the role it plays in aligning business strategy with operations. 2. Business architecture frameworks and methodologies. CBAP candidates are expected to be familiar with various frameworks and methodologies used in business architecture, such as the Business Model Canvas, TOGAF, the Open Group Architecture Framework, and Zachman Framework. 3. Business capability analysis. This involves analyzing the capabilities of a business to understand its strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. It may include assessing processes, resources, technology, and organizational structure. 4. Business process modeling. Candidates need to understand how to model business processes using techniques like BPMN, Business Process Model and Notation, or UML, Unified Modeling Language, to depict how activities, resources, and information flow within an organization. 5. Stakeholder analysis. This involves identifying and analyzing the various stakeholders involved in or affected by a business architecture initiative. Understanding stakeholder needs, concerns, and perspectives is crucial for successful business architecture development. 6. Alignment with business strategy. CBAP candidates need to understand how to align business architecture initiatives with the overall strategic goals and objectives of the organization. This may involve identifying opportunities for innovation, cost reduction, or competitive advantage through improved business architecture. 7. Change management. Business architecture often involves significant organizational change. CBAP candidates should understand change management principles and techniques to facilitate smooth transitions and adoption of new business architecture frameworks or processes. 8. Communication and documentation. Effective communication and documentation are essential skills for business analysts. CBAP candidates should be able to clearly communicate business architecture concepts, findings, and recommendations to various stakeholders using appropriate documentation formats and tools.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.